It's live.
Okay, we are live. Hello everyone, good afternoon. It's 1 p.m. here, Thursday, and we are outside to breathe some fresh air. So we'll just show you around where we are at the moment. So that's a football field. Yes, anak, Kirsten.
Yes.
And I think
That's
it's
the county council.
the county council, and
And it's
those
break time.
students are having their break time because there is a school nearby. Well guys, I hope you are all well and safe, and you are having a lovely day or evening or afternoon or morning wherever you are at. So
What?
well, today is day 24.
$25.
Day 25th, 25 of the 90-day challenge.
Today's topic is about embracing
The,
learning curve.
yes, uh, embracing the learning curve is about recognizing the growth and improvement often comes with challenges and setbacks. So it involves being open to learning from mistakes, seeking feedback, and persisting through difficulties. Because by embracing this learning curve, you can develop resilience, adaptability, and mastery in various areas of our lives. So, which leads us to personal and professional growth. Well, it's a mindset that values the journey of learning as much as destination of success. So, well, here are the reason why it is important to embrace the learning curve. Number one is
Oh my God.
learning takes time. Well, just like riding a bicycle or playing a new game, learning something new usually doesn't happen instantly. It's like climbing a mountain. You start from the bottom and gradually go up, go better as you go, right?
Yes. Number two, mistakes are part of learning. When you start learning something new, you might mistakes, and that's totally normal. It's like when you're learning to draw and your first picture it doesn't look good. You'll practice and work around it, you know.
That's true.
It will take time.
Yeah, practice and practice because practice makes perfect. So don't forget to practice. Oh, thanks for our viewers. Thanks for watching.
That's probably
Well, number three is celebrate small
progress
victories.
comes with progress.
Oh, progress comes with practice. Definitely. So the more you practice something, like when you want to ride on a bicycle or you want to paint, so the more you do it, whether it's shooting basketball hoops or solving problems, riding a bicycle or painting or whatever you want to do, the more practice, the better you'll get at it. You'll get better at it because it's planting a seed and watching it grows over time.
Number four, celebrate small victories. Even small improvements are worth celebrating, whether it's mastering a new chord on a guitar or understanding a new tricky concept in school. Every step you learn is a win. So celebrate those little things, guys.
Yes, we need to celebrate each progress we make because, and we deserve a pat on our back, even with the smaller achievement that we make. So to contribute to our larger goals. So what number is it? Four,
Five.
five. So we need to stay patient and persistent because learning sometimes feel frustrating, but it's important to keep going. Think of it as a puzzle. You might not have all the pictures or the pieces at first, but with time and effort, you'll eventually get and see the bigger picture. Like,
Embracing the learning curves means understanding that learning is a process, not an instant result. It's about being patient with yourself, learning from mistakes, and celebrating progress along the way.
yes, so it's really important, guys, to embrace the learning curve. We all make mistakes. We all make failure. We do fail, but the important thing
To
is
learn
to
from it.
learn from it. To learn from it, so we're not going to make the same mistakes again, right?
Yes, definitely.
So another more viewers, thanks for watching, and yes, I hope guys
You
you
learn.
learn how to embrace the learning curve, the mistakes that you make, the failures that you have. Learn from it. Learn from those. There are lessons that you can get from those. So learn from it and never stop learning, never stop growing. It's the life that we can.
Tita Linda. Hello, Tita Linda.
Hello, yes.
You wanna bring?
Thank you for watching. Yeah, guys, I hope you
Have a
had
great
a great
Thursday
Thursday.
afternoon.
Yes. Okay. Hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye,
Bye.
guys.